Hey traders, welcome to the Hypertrade YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you one of the best and easy to use and highly profitable trading strategy. The strategy I will be using this time is MACD with Supertrend. You can use this strategy with any kind of market, such as cryptocurrency, Forex, gold, or even stocks. Not only that, this strategy will be easy to use, especially for beginner traders. Anyone can start trading and make profits with this strategy. Watch this video until the end to see how much profit we can make just by using this strategy. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the Hypertrade YouTube channel so you don't miss out the new strategies from Hypertrade YouTube channel. In this strategy, we will need two indicators. The indicators are MACD and Supertrend. Our first indicator is MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence. You can find the MACD indicator easily in TradingView Indicators list. We are using the MACD indicator with default settings, so you don't need to change anything. Add this indicator into your chart. As you can see, the indicator we have below is MACD indicator. Our MACD indicator has two lines. They are blue line and red line. The basic usage is simple. When the blue line crosses over the red line, that means the price is bullish, which means the price will likely goes up. But when the blue line crosses below the red line, the price most likely will go down. But the problem is using the MACD indicator alone gives us many false signals that resulting in losing trades. That's why we will need another indicator to filter the bad trades. Our second indicator is Supertrend. You can find that indicator in easily TradingView Indicators list. The settings we are using are default settings, so you don't need to change anything. Now add this indicator to your chart. As you can see, this Supertrend indicator works as our trend indicator. Using this indicator is very simple. When price is above the Supertrend line, it means the market is in uptrend. That means when the market is in uptrend, we should only open a buy or long trade. But when the price is below the Supertrend line, that means the market is in a downtrend, so we should only open a sell or short trade. Supertrend is not only useful for detecting trends, but you can also use the Supertrend indicator to set your stop losses and calculate your take profit targets. As we can see in our chart, now we have all the indicators needed for our first trade. If you forget about it, we are using two indicators. They are MACD and Supertrend. You can go back to the indicators section to see what indicators we are using. Okay, let's get into our first buy example. Our buy conditions are pretty simple. The MACD blue line must cross above the MACD red line, and the price must above the Supertrend line. As we can see in our screen, the MACD crossover did happen there, and the price is above the Supertrend line. We should prepare our long trade here. Set the stop loss below the Supertrend line here. Our take profit should be between 2 to 3 times the stop loss. This time our take profit will be 2 times above the stop loss. So, I guess it's time to see how this trade performs. This trade turned out to be profitable. Great. As you can see here, the strategy makes profit for the first time. We have shown our first long trade that was good, but that's not enough. Because of that, we will have our second long trade. Let's find out together. The previous trade turned out to be profitable, but that's not enough to prove this strategy profitable. We have prepared our second long trade here. You can clearly see the MACD crossover happened here, and the price is above Supertrend line. It's our time to enter a long trade again. Set your stop loss below the Supertrend line and take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Let's find out the results. As you can see, this trade is a profitable trade. That was a good results. We just found this strategy has a high profitability. But so far we have only tested the long trades. We can still maximize the potential of this strategy by adding rules for short trades. How about short trades? Let's move into example short trades. This will be our first short trade example. Our conditions is actually a reversed version of our long conditions. The MACD fast blue must cross below the red line, then the Supertrend line color must red. As we can see in our chart, the MACD did cross below there, and the price is below Supertrend line. We should prepare our short trade here. Set the stop loss above the Supertrend line. Our take profit is 2 times of our stop loss. So, it's time to see how this trade performs. This trade turned out to be profitable. What an amazing strategy. I know that one trade is not enough to show the profitability of short trades for this strategy. So let's get into our next short trade. We have our second short entry here. You can see clearly the MACD cross below happened here, and the price is below Supertrend line. It's our time to enter a short trade again. Set your stop loss above the Supertrend line and take profit 2 times below the stop loss. Let's find out the results. We just found that our short trade was a winner. Good job, strategy. We just found a trading strategy that has a high profitability, both in long and short trades. But of course you cannot trust these results alone. Before risking any real money, traders should do a backtesting to the strategy first. Backtesting is the process of testing a strategy with a historical market data. The backtesting process usually finished after 100 trades or more in the past. After backtesting, if the strategy can be profitable, traders can continue to paper trading. For those who don't know, paper trading is a trading simulation that allows a trader to practice buying and selling without risking real money. Therefore, if you win the trade, you don't get any money. But if you lose, you don't lose any money. There are so much to cover within this strategy, such as backtesting this strategy up to 100 trades paper trading. Because of that, in the future, HyperTrade YouTube channel will have a video that backtest any strategy for 100 times and live stream my paper trade entries for this strategy. Consider subscribe to this channel if you want to see the results. Don't forget to like this video if you find this helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for our future trading videos.